Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2019 Nissan Pathfinder, stock number 6127. This ran from the 12th 2016 to 04 2021. It has a VK35 3.5 Litre V6 petrol engine backed by 1-speed CVT transmission. This is a VK35 V6 petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.